guys, it's Skylar and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all on this pretty yellow honey cut crease look that I did using the Morphe and James Charles palette. I think it's really fun for the summertime. So if you're interested in today's video, then just keep on watching. Alright, I know we're up close and personal, but I thought it would kind of give you a better idea of what I'm doing. I have a zit right here. Please ignore, I know. But to start this look off, I'm going in with the Morphe and James Charles palette, like I said. And what I'm going to do is pick up that really pretty yellow shade in the James Charles palette. And that's the very first color we're going to go in with. I'm just going to tap off the excess. And this is going to be kind of like a transition color. And when I'm applying this, I'm kind of going in like pretty circular motions. And I'm really keeping this eye look kind of circular. I'm not winging it out really far, just a little bit. And I really want that to blend out into the eyebrows. When I do half cut creases or any cut crease, because my eyelids are hooded, you can see that like I have a little bit of skin that comes down. I usually will take my eyeshadows up higher so that way when we do cut the crease, you can still see those shadows above. So I will take it up quite a bit into the eyebrow, and then I just really take the time to blend this shade out. I'm gonna go in with this warm chocolate brown shade up here at the top row in the top right corner. I'm gonna go in with a smaller Morphe brush from the 702 set, and I'm gonna pick up some of that color and tap off the excess. I'm gonna just stamp this everywhere I intend to place this. Like I said, I bring shadows up kind of far when it comes to cutting the crease, so I'm gonna bring that up. And I'm gonna bring this pretty far over into the inner corner of the eye as well. And then, I know it looks disgusting, we're gonna blend it out. Going in with that fluffy brush we used to apply the yellow, I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse that into the skin and blend it out into the yellow. I'm gonna continue to do this a couple of times, just building it up slowly so we don't overpower the yellow. And I really wanna take the time to blend this out. I wanna warm this brown up even more, so I'm actually gonna go in with this warm brown shade right here, and I'm gonna pick that up on that small brush again and just kind of pack that over where we applied the warm chocolate brown. I just want a little bit of red in here. Taking the fluffy brush again, picking up some more of that yellow, and I'm just gonna go right along the outside just to bring out the yellow a little bit more. Alright, we're gonna cut the crease. I'm going in, this is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I'm gonna take some of that, and what I like to do is get a concealer brush. This is just a Morphe 702 brush. It is a round, flat brush. I would recommend round, not square, because it'll be easier to cut the crease. And what I do is take some of the concealer onto the brush, and I'll actually run it right along my eyelashes, because then what I do is open my eyes and look up, and you can kind of see a little line where I had applied that concealer, and that just kind of helps me mark out where I need to place the concealer, and I'll bring it a little bit higher than this line so I know that you can see the cut crease. Now that the crease is cut, I'm going to go in with a flat Morphe brush and pick up some more of that yellow, and I'm going to begin to stamp that all over the lid where we applied the concealer. I'm going to blend that yellow into the brown because I'm going to go in with a darker shade just to deepen it all up. I'm going to go in with a smaller dome brush, and I'm going to actually pick up this really dark brown right here in the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna stamp that on the inner corner of the eye, and I'm gonna blend that out with the fluffy brush, and then I'm actually gonna go in with a smaller brush and line right above this cut crease to kind of clean it up a little bit, and I'm gonna do that with the darker brown, and that's just to make the whole eye look a little bit darker and give it some depth. go in with this dome brush again and pick up some more of that reddy brown shade from the James Charles palette, and I'm gonna pack that on the outer corner as well, and then kind of take it into the yellow a little bit. And I'm gonna blend that out with the fluffy brush. Then what I'm gonna do, go back in with that smaller brush, pick up some yellow, and I'm gonna run that along my lower lash line. I'm gonna take this yellow pretty far down. We're gonna smoke it out quite a bit, and that's just because this is gonna be a little dramatic. I'm gonna go in with that smaller Morphe brush and just kind of blend that yellow out a bit. And I'm also gonna take that small brush, pick up some of that red, smoke that along the lower lash line as well, but I'm not gonna take it as far down as we did with that yellow shade. And then I'm also gonna take that really dark brown that we used and smoke that along the lower lash line as well. To finish this look up, I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the lip palette, I believe is what it's called. And I'm gonna go in with this primary color, the yellow, obviously. And I'm just gonna take a square flat brush. This is the Alamar Cosmetics brush. I got it in one of the Boxy Charms. And I'm gonna pick some of that yellow up and apply that right on the waterline of my lashes, and then I will go ahead and throw on some false lashes afterwards. So this is the finished look that we have. I just threw on a pair of my favorite lashes. These are the Tarte lashes in, I believe, Goddess is what the style is. I think they're really pretty and they're really versatile. But yeah, that's it for today's video. It was nice, quick, simple. If you like quick eyeshadow tutorials like this one, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below, and I will be sure to film more eyeshadow looks like this. With that being said, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you aren't already, please be sure to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, because I do post additional things on there that you don't see here on YouTube. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. On the inner, that looks so good. Go me.